Hello everyone, welcome to Just Gigi and we are exploring Watkins Glen State Park today. Enjoy! Watkins Glen State Park is located within the village of Watkins Glen in the Finger Lakes region of New York. It is a popular stop on New York's tours and should be included on any New York State road trip. This park was recently ranked number 1 in New York State by Condé Nast Traveler. As one of the best state parks in New York, Watkins Glen attracts approximately 1 million visitors each year. Its natural beauty attracts many tourists and locals alike. Begin your journey through Watkins Glen Gorge Trail at the main entrance. If you are hiking out and back the Gorge Trail, it is a 4-mile hike and will take about an hour to complete. Yet, give yourself 2 hours for this hike to relax and enjoy the scenery. If you take your time, you will be able to better appreciate the beauty of Watkins Glen State Park and you won't be as tired from the hike. Watkins Glen Gorge Trail will ensure that you have the best possible experience. Many of these views are the most beautiful spots I have ever seen. The main entrance starts at the base of the gorge and you will need to work your way up to several sets of stairs throughout the park. You must climb up these spiral staircases before reaching the Sentry Bridge. Reaching Sentry Bridge marks your entry into the Watkins Glen Gorge. Upon entering the Gorge Trail, you will be immediately blown away. As you hike up through the park from the main entrance, the waterfalls and views will be in front of you. This trail has over 832 well-maintained stairs. You don't need to be an expert hiker for this trail. The Gorge Trail follows Glen Creek, up stone staircases and over idyllic bridges. And throughout the entire hike, you are rewarded with views of some of the most beautiful waterfalls in the Finger Lakes. The Watkins Glen Gorge Trail covers 2 miles and it's a relatively easy walk. However, I recommend wearing shoes that you don't mind getting dirty as there are quite a few puddles or wet patches to cross over. The sheer beauty of Watkins Glen State Park is the Cavern Cascade. It is one of the unique areas along the Gorge Trail where you can walk behind the waterfall. This thin veil-like waterfall falls delicately into the gorge. And one of my favorite moments hiking the Watkins Glen Gorge is getting to walk behind Cavern Cascade. In order to continue the hike, you must walk behind this waterfall. Many people will stop behind the Cavern Cascade to reach out and touch the water. At this point, you may start getting a little wet. This is one of the most iconic and photographed spots in the park. After passing behind Cavern Cascade, you will round the corner to Spiral Tunnel. Spiral Tunnel is a set of stairs leading to the next part of the hike. There are so many beautiful views and you will make plenty of stops on your hike and won't become too tired. There are several options for hiking the Watkins Glen Gorge Trail. These options allow you to choose how you would like to hike the Gorge Trail and depends on your skills and the length of the hike. Hiking out and back the Watkins Glen Gorge Trail is my favorite way to experience the park. With this option, you are hiking up the Gorge Trail, then back down. This way, you get the stunning gorge views over your entire hike. And on the way down, you can stop to take in views that you may have missed on the way up. Watkins Glen State Park cannot be missed on a trip to the Finger Lakes. With 19 spectacular waterfalls, a flowing glen, and steep cliffs, hiking the Watkins Glen Gorge Trail is a truly magnificent experience. The park's main entrance is located on the main road in town, has a gift shop and a cafe where you can find ice cream, snacks, munchies and beverages, and is nearby plenty of restaurants. Everyone should visit this park once in their lifetime. The Gorge Trail looks like a place that could be from Lord of the Rings movie. I strongly recommend this park. Thank you. I thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and for more information, please visit justgg.com or justgg YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.